This command allows you to adjust the appearance of crossing networks. There are two ways: cut the hidden parts with a slight offset, or change the hidden part to a dotted line. Using the cut crossing command, select the part to modify, the one below, and then the part situated above. Now let's try with dotted lines, with the hidden crossing command. The principle is the same. Click on the pipe to modify, and then the pipe above. In a more complex case, you can specify the points of intersection, and when an object is entirely hidden, simply right-click and choose the option Hide Object. A revert command allows you to bring the object back to its initial state.